How can I make my WhatsApp status visible to everyone, even those who are not in my phone book?
Hello there, WhatsApp enthusiasts. If you're wondering how to make your WhatsApp status visible to everyone, even to those not in your phone book, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to discuss exactly how to do that.
What is WhatsApp status?
WhatsApp status is a feature that lets you share text, photo, video, and GIF updates that disappear after 24 hours. You might think of it as your personal space to share your thoughts, highlights of your day, or just a funny meme with your contacts. But what if you want these updates to be visible to more than just your saved contacts? We'll get to that shortly.
Default privacy settings for WhatsApp status.
By default, your status updates are visible only to your contacts. That's the people whose numbers are saved in your phone's address book. But WhatsApp allows you to control who can see your status updates.
Changing your status privacy.
Let's now get to the main part. Here are the steps you need to follow. 1. Open WhatsApp on your phone. 2. Tap on the Status tab on the bottom menu, iOS, or the top menu, Android. 3. In the Status tab, tap on Privacy. 4. You will see 3 options: My Contacts Accept, and Only Share With. Tap on My Contacts. This means that your status updates will be visible to your contacts. However, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, WhatsApp does not offer an option to make your status updates visible to everyone, including those who are not in your phone book. This is a privacy measure to ensure that your personal updates are not accessible by unknown people. Well, there you have it. While you can choose to share your status updates with all your contacts, there isn't a feature to make them visible to everyone outside your phone book as of my last update. This is to protect your privacy. Remember, it's always important to manage your online presence with caution. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.